guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So today's video is going to be this awesome makeup look. It is a really cute, nice cut crease, all purple. I love purple. Like, for those of you who don't know, I love the color purple. I have purple workout clothes. I have purple everything. I'm telling you, there's a bunch of stuff. Purple cups. I have, even right now, my nails. They're like a darker purple with some, I think it's like unicorn spray on it. But I do need to get my nails done. Like, look at that. Look at that. Why? Why? So guys, this is a really, it's kind of techie look. This look actually took me a while to create, and I kind of pretty much created off the fly at pretty much the top of the dome. I just looked at all the different type of eyeshadow palettes that I had, and I just like threw it all in there together. My mom actually told me that it was a great look, and she wanted to actually wear the same look for Christmas. So I have to recreate this on her perfectly, just like I did today, and hopefully she likes it. I mean, she's my mom. She should like it, right? Hold on, I'm gonna show you my dog. Look at him, he's so cute. He's so... Ooh. Now he's gonna give like a bunch of trouble, watch. This makeup look takes a few different makeup palettes, and honestly, if you don't have the makeup palette, just pick colors that look similar to what I chosen, and the look would actually look the exact same, and you guys don't have to worry about it, right? Like, it works out perfectly. But if you do have these palettes, just go ahead and use the same colors, right? Makes it everything super easy. Everything that I use in this makeup tutorial will be in the description box down below. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys like it. Please, please, please. And then also make sure you smash smash that subscribe button so that you guys can actually see all of my future uploads, and actually hit that notification bell so you guys get alerted from my uploads. So every time I upload, a little bing will pick up will pop up, and you guys will see my new videos. So if you guys want to see how I got this look all right here, go ahead and stay tuned, guys. Yeah. Wow.
Wow.